Insane bird facts. In the Amazon, hoatzin chicks hatch with sharp claws on their wings. They use them to climb trees and escape danger, before they can even fly. The claws disappear when they grow up. Then there's the lyrebird, the world's best mimic. This bird can copy chainsaws, car alarms, camera clicks, even other birds screaming for help. Males use fake danger sounds to trick females into thinking predators are close. Crazy smart. Oilbirds live in pitch-black caves and use echolocation just like bats. They click loudly to see with sound and find fruit in total darkness. Male frigate birds blow up a huge red balloon on their throat, bigger than their head, to impress girls. They shake it and call like crazy. Key parrots in New Zealand? Total troublemakers. They chew car parts, steal snacks, and slide down snowy roofs for fun. The smartest parrots on Earth. And the white bellbird? Its scream is louder than a chainsaw. Over 125 decibels. One call can hurt your ears from far away. Nature is wilder than any movie. Which fact shocked you most? Drop it in the comments.